Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Priyanka Pawar, and guys, in today's video we'll be doing this beautiful bridal makeup look. So if you want to see how I did this one, so continue watching. I'll start with moisturization first. So here I'm using Embroless cream. Guys, this is a super hydrating cream and suits all skin types, so you can add this into your vanity if you do client work. Now I'm using an oil primer from PAC. She's a dry skin type, so I'm using an oil primer. You can choose a primer according to your client's skin type. And guys, always activate the product and dab it into your skin. So now we'll be doing the color correction part. So guys, as you can see, some darkness under her eyes and some around her mouth. So we'll be covering that up with the help of this orange corrector. So this orange corrector will cancel out the darkness around her mouth and under eyes. So here I'm using this concealer right after the color correction part. So you can use in a different way, like you can use the foundation first and then use the concealer. But I like to use it this way, like first I conceal after color correction and then I go with the base. Now it's the turn for foundation. So here I'm using MAC Studio Sculpt foundation. So firstly I'll be using the brush to apply the foundation and try to blend as much as possible, and after that I'll be using a beauty blender to tap the product into the skin, and will keep on blending until I get the right flawless skin. Now I'm using a concealer which is almost 2 tones up than her base color. So I'll be using this concealer to highlight her face, the highest points on her face, which will be her under eyes, the tip of the nose, the bridge, the cupid's bow, the chin and the forehead, and blend it well. Now before setting the base, I'm using a liquid blush here. Now I'll be setting the entire face with a loose powder, and guys, it is very important step in bridal makeup because it needs to be a long lasting makeup and we really need to lock it properly with a loose powder. Now do the powder contouring, powder blush, highlighter, nose contouring and everything that is required to complete the look, and we're almost done. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and guys, if you want to know how I did those eyes, so for that you need to watch the part B of this video, which will be up very soon on my channel. So if you enjoyed watching this particular video, so please guys go and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until my next video, bye bye.